around the house. Oh, actually it's goat love. We'll go down to feed the goats. I hear ya, Atticus. Yeah? Atticus. Atticus. Oh, the boat overrun on this today, huh? I didn't think about it a minute ago. TT, how you doing? Yeah, Atticus. This is our little Tinkerbell. Our little pinto colored blonde here. Oh yeah? Oh, quit kicking it. Or there we go. Not as cold as yesterday, huh? Here we are with the boys. Not as cold as yesterday. That's good. Huh? Yeah. Not as cold as yesterday. Sure got this on. You want to come out? Yeah, I want to my hands cold. 41 degrees today. Come on out. Come on out. Come on. Come on, come on. Where's that? What are you guys doing, huh? Oh, good. The mice in there. Get some more. Another gallon of water in there. Atticus, what are you doing, dude? What you doing? See, what the heck is that? That's a blonde one. I ain't seen her before. What is that? T, what do you think? What do you think? What is that? What? What? What do you think? Huh? You meeting Tinkerbell for the first time? Huh? You meeting Tinkerbell? She's a little different, huh? She don't look like him. She don't look like him. He's just a little different color, huh? What do you think, T? Are those goats? Huh? TT, you think those are goats? What do you think, huh? They got 4 legs just like you do. Yeah, they're a little bigger than you are. He's so cool. He said hi. Oh, that's funny. What, T? Come on, TT. Where'd he go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? She's out there somewhere. She's out there. Oh, wow. What is that? Huh? What? Is that Tinkerbell? That's Pooh. You know him. You know Pooh. What do you think, T? Huh? He covered you kicking stuff at you, didn't he? What? 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 Huh? T, what do you think? Huh? What do you think? Huh? What is that? Huh? Is that a goat? Is that a goat? Huh? Is that a goat? Huh? That's a big goat, isn't he? He make a mess of things, doesn't he? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Huh? Is that Popo? That Popo. You say hello to Popo? Hey, Popo. Is that Popo? Huh? Is that Popo? Hi. She says, hi, what is that thing? Huh? This is why I hear chicken. He's a big chicken. He's a big chicken. He's a big chicken. He's a big chicken. A little big chicken. What? What you think? Huh? What do you think? Huh? What do you think, yeah? That's Atticus. That's Atticus. Yeah, that's Atticus. That's Atticus. Yeah, that's Atticus. You had enough? Huh? There you go. All right. What are you doing up there? Huh? What are you doing up there? What are you doing up there? Huh? Yeah? Huh? Still got hay. What do you think, huh? Yeah. What do you think, huh? What do you think, T? What do you think, T? What do you think, huh? Take two up. All right. Okay, I guess that's it. They got plenty of hay. I didn't eat like they eat much today. That's about two in there. I got one. I get another one in there. There's about 2 flakes in there. They're about to eat one. Eat one flake. I think we'll warm it up too. Yep. Alright, get out of here. Goof. Guys good? Huh? Guys good? Huh? You good? Okay. Alright. Yeah, I guess that's it, huh? That was a quick and get to meet TJ. To meet Tinkerbell. 41, that's pretty windy. Alright. Let's go, Pooh. I'll break that back up here. Break some of that ice up. Yeah, it's a lot of work. Good. All right, boys, be good. I got some of this not much cleaned up, huh? Didn't do much. Thinking some of it's gonna melt, but I don't know. No, that much hit. Clean up because it's just ice. Alright. Thanks for watching. Give a comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch me on the next. Goat love.